Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Distingués invités.
Very much, distinguished guests.
I want to take a moment to reflect on our discussions and the insights we shared. It has been an honor to explore together the critical issues facing our justice system and the essential role that the Supreme Court of Canada and all courts play in our country's evolving legal landscape. The 150th anniversary of the Supreme Court of Canada in 2025 is an opportunity for reflection on the court's legacy. This symposium has been a fitting tribute to that legacy, a moment to honor our past, assess our present, and chart a course for the future. The symposium
reminded us of our complex responsibilities. Sometimes they are intimidating. We need to defend the rule of law, but also dignity, equality for all. As our distinguished guest this morning said.
Reminded us about the role of the Indigenous law in our legal systems, as well as the importance of kinship. Indeed, at the heart of a country's identity lies the promise of justice for all. Reconciliation offers an opportunity to renew that promise by acknowledging history with honesty and humility, upholding the dignity and traditions of all people, and building a more inclusive future grounded in mutual respect and understanding. My vision for the justice system, which I know everyone here shares, includes better access to justice for all members of our society. It requires a solid understanding by the public of how the system works, including how federalism and bijuralism shape our society. It also includes informed debate and genuine dialogue with the goal of strengthening our democracy and the respect for the rule of law. We were reminded of those priorities throughout the day. J'ai été impressionné par la profondeur et la richesse.
Impressed by the depth and the richness of our conversations, the role of our apex courts, how they maintain their legitimacy in a cosmopolitan world. This is changing quickly.
But it's worth repeating that no court in the world has the monopoly of wisdom and knowledge. To the speakers and distinguished guests who have traveled here from near or far, inside or outside Canada, thank you so much for sharing your wisdom and your knowledge. It means a great deal to me, to my colleagues at the court, and to you, I'm sure. My colleagues and I also enjoyed a special lunchtime conversations in our chambers, a rare opportunity for informal exchanges between judges and symposium participants. Thanks to all of you for these and the many other conversations since yesterday morning. This symposium would not have been possible without the leadership of two of my colleagues, Justice Karakatsanis and Kasirer, and the tremendous support of all the judges on this court. And I'm very proud of my colleagues who were all here yesterday and today. I would like to sincerely thank the National Judicial Institute for the support in putting together such an outstanding program. In particular, I would like to acknowledge the Honourable Tom Crabtree, Madame Danielle May Coconato, Jeffrey Conrad, and Madame Mareille Ménard-Boss from the National Judicial Institute. Je tiens à remercier également la registraire de la Cour suprême.
I also want to thank the registrar of the Supreme Court, Ms. Charbonneau, Marie-Ève Tremblay, and Michel Galland. We have reasons to be optimistic. Everyone here should be optimistic because your engagement, your work, and your willingness to engage in difficult conversations bodes well for the future. for the future of our system and our judiciary, including the Supreme Court.
Return home, we carry with us the knowledge that we are not alone in our efforts. We are part of a community of judges, lawyers, professors, students, and journalists who share a common commitment to justice. This community has been the foundation of the court's work for the past 150 years and will continue to guide it forward. That's a form of solidarity that brings us strength to face the challenges ahead. Bearing the name of a famous composer, allow me to conclude on a musical note. But rest assured, for those who have already heard me sing, I will spare you a live performance. We have all been captivated today by the talented performance of our presenters. In this concert of voices, each with its own tone and nuance, we witnessed a harmonious symphony that moved and inspired us, and one that will continue to resonate through this court.